Gskyer Telescope, 70 millimeters aperture, 400 millimeter AZ Mount Astronomical Refracting Telescope for kids and beginners. Travel telescope with carry bag, phone adapter, and wireless remote. Hi, welcome my friend. 400 millimeter focal length and 70 millimeter aperture, fully coated optics glass lens with high transmission coatings, creates stunning images and protects your eyes. Perfect telescope for astronomers to explore stars and the moon. It comes with two replaceable eyepieces. One of them is ×3 barber lens. This lens triple the magnifying power of each eyepiece. 5x24 finder scope with mounting bracket and crosshair lines inside makes locating objects easier. Includes one smartphone adapter and one wireless camera remote to explore the nature of the world easily through the screen and take an amazing celestial images. This telescope allows for many different viewing positions. With an adjustable aluminum alloy tripod and a carry bag, the telescope and the tripod can fit inside the bag for easy traveling and storage. 2 years warranty, technical support from our team of experts in 24 hours. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.